I am so excited to be here today to talk to you about our new packaging for our mini skincare kit. This is the perfect gift. If you love Simple Body and you want to share your experience and share your products with someone this Christmas, buy the mini skincare kit. The new packaging is beautiful and it holds our basic skincare kit. You can get it in normal to dry, mature, combination, sensitive, or oily to acne skin. So it can be customized to fit their skin. And the reason I love this packaging is because it has all of the instructions, all of the ingredients, everything is on the back. It's super easy to follow and it's $65. So it is a great value and a great way to introduce somebody to the products that you love. My personal favorite is the Rose Face Wash, the Rose Water Toner, our daily face cream. Everybody loves the Beauty Balm, and I literally couldn't sleep without our nightly face serum. I don't know what I would do without this product. Also, these are all FAA approved, so they're all travel safe. So if somebody's flying to visit you for Christmas and you're like, I'm not sure if they can take that back on the plane, they absolutely can. All of these products are under 3 ounces and easy to travel with, especially when you have this nice recessed tray where all the products fit securely. So if you're looking for the perfect gift and you're not sure what to get, everybody washes their face, everybody cleans their skin, or at least I hope they do. And this is just a great gift to give. If you have any questions, comment below. Happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.